Hello grade 8, welcome to this 3-minute lesson on chemical reactions. So by now you are expected to know that everything around us is made up of atoms. Now in turn, these very same atoms join together in a chemical reaction to produce more complex substances. These formed substances have different properties from the constituent substances. Now from this, we can define our chemical reaction as a process where a substance changes to make new substances. Now remember, the new substances that are formed from a chemical reaction should have different properties from the constituent substances. So an example we can look at is the example between the reaction of sulfur and oxygen gas to produce sulfur dioxide. Chemical reactions can be represented in a chemical equation. So, for example, the reaction between sulfur and oxygen gas to produce sulfur dioxide. So the two substances that react, sulfur and oxygen, we refer to them as our reactants. And the substance that is produced is referred to as the product. This can also be represented using the symbols that are found in the periodic table. So for sulfur, it is written as S, as it is on the periodic table, but oxygen is a diatomic molecule, so it is written as O2. So these two substances react to produce sulfur dioxide, which is our product. So let's look at this hypothetical substances A and B that react to produce substance AB. This can be represented in a chemical equation as A reacting with B to produce AB, right? So in order for them to react, they should have enough energy and they should collide in a correct orientation. So when they do that, they will collide and they will form a new substance. In this case, this is our AB. Now, to check if a chemical reaction has occurred, we need to check for color changes, gas formations, or light that are produced. So for example, if I react substance A and substance B, I will form substance AB. Now, the gas that is formed here tells me that there is a chemical reaction that is occurring. Another example is the display of fireworks, which is an example between the reaction of sulfur and oxygen gas to produce our sulfur dioxide. So the displays that you see and the gases that are produced is an indication that there is a chemical reaction taking place to produce sulfur dioxide. So I hope this video helped grade 8 and sharp.